looking at it, it spans over about 20 years. I believe 202 is we won our first award. By the way, these are all our wins. Around our HQ office here, there's a number of finalists, but we're very proud to just boast off our wins at the moment. So some 20 of, from 2022 to back to 2002. A combination of small bathrooms, large bathrooms, contemporary bathrooms, period type bathrooms. They're done through the HIA, which is the Housing Industry Association. So they have a kitchen and bathroom section. They run these awards, and they're quite difficult to win. Actually, you've got to put a lot of effort into it, a lot of time, a lot of passionate, and the bathroom itself has to be worthy of a win. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of finalists, which are good, but these are here where we first enter into HQ. So 20 awards that I've actually won personally. So these are all my awards.